I'm Peanut. Today let's learn more about chemistry. And our element of the day is oxygen. So why is oxygen so important? Let's find out. Oxygen is essential for breathing. Every time you take a breath, you breathe in oxygen. About 21% of the air around us is oxygen. On the periodic table, oxygen's symbol is just the letter O. Oxygen's atomic number is 8. That means it has 8 protons inside it. Oxygen is invisible. You can't see, smell, or taste oxygen, but it's all around you. Through a process called photosynthesis, plants release oxygen into the air. That's why it's so important to plant trees. Also, fire needs oxygen to burn. Without oxygen, flames go out. So you need me to light a fire. And lastly, water, which is H2O, is made of hydrogen and oxygen. That means every drop of water contains oxygen. Yay! And with that, it also brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know so many different fun facts about the element oxygen. And for more videos on our element series, be sure to check out other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.